Today is day number 4 of our full-time travel with the Reboot 19, and something really wild happened to us yesterday. We lost our drone. Our Mavic 4 Pro drone flew into a tree while I was filming a documentary about Sayward. I don't know how I lost control or what happened, but it ended up on the tree 30 meters high on a cliff, no way to get it. So we went through a lot of emotions yesterday, like negative emotions, frustrations, sadness, disparity, but we also met a lot of wonderful people from Sayward's community. And in less than, I think in about 5 hours, we got our drone back, and I'll let you watch the rest. Something sad to share. So I was filming here in Sayward area, and I don't know by what accident I actually somehow ended up flying my drone into a tree. This never happened to me, and it's actually right over there. I'll show you. Well, you probably won't see it, but so this is the road, and we have a cliff in here, and it's on one of the trees. While our emotions run high, I'll just I'll summarize it. So, flying the drone, it got stuck into the trees. Then we went around that place and we found some logging roads, and we tried to see if we can get on top of that cliff. No success. Then we drove around. I found someone lives on top of that cliff, someone's property. So I talked to the owners. His name is Mike, and I asked if I can go through his property to trying to reach the drone. He said yes. So we tried reaching the drone, but there were multiple cliffs in there, and with no equipment, with no experience, we couldn't get it. So I got back, I talked to Mike again, and he suggested, well, I have a friend, his name is Hans. He has like a bucket, for electricians. So he called him. So we met Hans. He tried climbing up with his bucket. It didn't, went high enough. We were frustrated, actually, almost ready to give up. But anyway, we came to this place. It's called Fisher Boy Resort, and we met Megan, who worked at the local store. Then I told him our story, that we were filming a documentary about Sayward and what happened to us. And then Megan, well, I might know someone who can do it. Someone who knows how to climb the trees and all that. I'm just in case it knocks. Okay, we got a rescue party. So Adam's there.
I can't believe. Oh my god.
Adam, can you look into the camera of the drone? Yeah. Well, you want to be like your dad? Yeah. Wow, that's crazy. Wow.
You must be proud of your dad.
How do you even do that?
I can do it my way.
Wow.
That's
Wow.
incredible.
Look at this.
Oh
Look.
my god,
Wow.
thank you so
Holy.
much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it so
Wow, that's
much. Oh my
insane.
God.
That's insane. It's just, I don't know what to tell. Look at this.
We got the drone back. All that's required is a donation to the food bank.
It's crazy.
That's how we roll in Sayward.
Yeah.